Planning to eat biryani on your cheat days? Yes, you can try this magical fusion. Zoff plus Licious will give you an awesome combination to give a fresh taste of awesome biryani. You will love it. Well, check this out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you are all good. आप कैसे हो? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? ஆமா. This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. So here are the two magical ingredients that you got to add in making biryani. First is classical Licious masala. This is chicken masala as you see in the picture. And one more is zoff garam masala. If you are not aware of zoff spices, I'll give the video in the I button, end screen and description box. You can check out. Okay, without any delay, we'll get into the process of making chicken biryani with magical fusion or combination. Yes. If any of you have come new here and watching my video for the first time, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications without fail. Doing so will help the channel grow and it will encourage me a lot to move forward and post more videos. Thank you. So how is biryani making with magical fusion of zoff plus Licious masala? Did you like this? It seemed delicious as you look into the video, right? But to taste also is awesome. It's heavenly. You will love it. Do try out and post your views in the comment section and let me know how is the biryani, right? Thanks for watching. Do subscribe. Keep smiling. Have a good day.